You're looking at the new foundation for one of the most iconic garages on the internet. We were called in to level up the workspace of a creator who currently commands a massive audience of 6.5 million subscribers. His journey didn't start with engines. It started on two wheels in the BMX world. Today, he's the king of the total rebuild, proving to the world that no car is ever truly beyond saving, no matter how many pieces it's in. He shares every win and every mechanical nightmare. And now he's doing it on a professional grade surface. We're hyped to show you the custom flooring we installed here at the HQ of the one and only Matt Armstrong.
Oh. Yeah, that is sick. No way. That's mental. And it feels so smooth. What the hell? That is crazy. That has transformed the whole place, hasn't it?
Thank you so much to the guys at XPS. Epoxy will change your life.